Instagram marketing premium tools and services to consider. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management tool that is perfect for Instagram marketers. Buffer can help you to simplify your workflow because it provides you with tools to coordinate and schedule your Instagram posts. It also provides you with an accessible dashboard where you can reply to comments and other interactions directly from your desktop computer. Other Buffer features include the Stories Planner, a programmable first comment for scheduled posts, a hashtag planner, and custom reports. 460. 460 is an amazingly different Instagram marketing tool that will allow you to turn content from your Instagram feed into cool, shoppable experiences. It works by integrating with your Instagram account to pull content such as product pictures and repurpose it as e-commerce galleries that look very similar to an Instagram feed. Shoppers simply have to tap or click on one of the images, and 460 will redirect them to a product page. Grum. Grum is a dead simple Instagram scheduling tool that will help you to schedule your Instagram content right from the web. With Grum, you will be able to schedule and publish photos and videos to multiple profiles at the same time, and also to manage an unlimited number of accounts at the same time. Other worthy Grum features include tagging, desktop publishing, and a very intuitive interface. Crowdfire. Crowdfire is a useful social media management and scheduling tool that can help you streamline your Instagram marketing activities. It provides you with straightforward publishing and scheduling features, automated post formatting, custom scheduling according to time zone, and a special scheduled content meter that'll help you know whether you have enough content scheduled each week. It also provides you with powerful analytics and mention tracking features. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a versatile social media management tool that is wildly popular among Instagram marketers thanks to its powerful host of features. Hootsuite can help you to plan all your Instagram marketing content under a single collaborative calendar, to create unique and beautiful Instagram posts, to keep your content calendar active with automated posts that fill content gaps in your schedule, and much more. Hopper. Hopper is a social media management tool that is made for businesses looking for a solution to simplify their Instagram marketing tasks. With Hopper, you can create up to 50 Instagram posts at once using bulk uploading, to set individual time zones for different accounts, and to integrate Instagram analytics and grid planning. It also provides you with features such as full image editing, reposting, and rescheduling. Iconosquare. Iconosquare is a powerful analytic social media management and social media scheduling tool for brands, marketers, and agencies on Instagram. You can use Iconosquare to predict the performance of your content through its insightful industry benchmarks, which automatically compares your content against content published by top-performing competitors, and it gives you detailed optimization suggestions to help you improve your content like a pro. Combin. Combin is a dedicated Instagram marketing tool that provides you with great marketing and content planning solutions, which includes Instagram audience growth, management and attraction, post and story planning, multiple account management, engagement automation, outgoing and incoming activity monitoring, and more. Later. Later is an amazing marketing platform for Instagram that will allow you to visually plan, schedule, and analyze posts for Instagram and other platforms too. With Later, you'll be able to plan up to a week of Instagram posts in 20 minutes or less using its powerful visual content calendar. It will also let you preview your feed before you post. It would let you auto-publish without notifications required. It can help you to import media from anywhere, to find and repost user-generated content, and much, much more. Linktree. Linktree is a useful tool that will allow you to create a custom link for your Instagram bio. What it does is to redirect users to a page where you can add links to all your other channels, or to more product pages, or to more landing pages. This is the perfect solution to bypass the one link limitation.